Open the Select Layer by Attribute tool and select the New Jersey stores in the All Walmarts table using the expression str state is equal to NJ. Examine the bottom of the table to see how many rows were selected. It should read 41 of 3176 selected. Choose Standalone Table, Data, Export, Export Table, and save the output as NJ Walmarts. Open the NJ Walmarts table and confirm that it contains 41 rows and that all of them contain NJ in the str state field. Remove the All Walmarts and Store Openings.csv tables. Open the Geocode Addresses tool. Set the input table to NJ Walmarts. For the input address locator, choose ArcGIS World Geocoding Service. Set the address or place box to Street ADDR. Set the city to STR City and the zip to zip code. Name the output feature class NJ Walmarts PTS. Check the box for United States for the country. Click Run. It may take a few minutes to finish. Wait for it to display the new points on the map. Save the project. Choose Project, Open, and click your recent project BH Water Study to open it. Open the Study Quads map if it is not already open. Click Analysis, Geoprocessing Environments, and set the output coordinate system to match the current map. NAD 1983 UTM Zone 13N. Turn off all layers except the topographic base map. In the Catalog pane, expose the files in MGIS Data, Black Hills, Downloads. Add the Hill City structure and Mount Rushmore structure shapefiles to the map. Open the tables for both shapefiles and compare the fields. In the Geoprocessing pane, search for and open the Merge tool. Click the Input Datasets drop-down box and select Mount Rushmore structure. Click the second Input Datasets drop-down box and select Hill City structure. Name the output dataset GL Structures. Examine the field map. Merge will attempt to keep all fields. The fields that appear in both input files have a 2 by the field name. The other fields are found only in the Mount Rushmore dataset, These fields will contain data for the Mount Rushmore features and null values for the Hill City features. Run the tool. Remove the original Hill City structure and Mount Rushmore structure layers. Examine the table of the merged GL structures feature class. Close the table and save the project. Add the Hill City geology and Mount Rushmore geology shapefiles from the MGIS Data Black Hills Downloads folder. Open the two tables and compare the fields. On a sheet of paper, write the field names in Hill City geology that contain these two types of information. Repeat for Mount Rushmore geology. In the Geoprocessing pane, clear and reopen the Merge tool. Set the input datasets to Hill City geology and Mount Rushmore geology. Name the output dataset Geology. Under Field Map, click the Formation Name field. Leave the Merge rule set to First. The box underneath indicates that this field gets its value from Mount Rushmore geology. Click the Add New Source drop-down, which opens a pop-up field selector with the layers on the left and their fields on the right. In the pop-up, select Hill City Geology. Check the Formation 1 field and click Add Selected. On the left, click the unit field name. On the right, click Add New Source, select Hill City Geology, check the Formation _ field, and click Add Selected. Under Output Fields, click Formation _ and use the red X to remove it from the list. Remove all of the output fields except Formation Name and Unit. New Shape Lang and Shape Area fields will automatically be created for the output dataset. Run the tool. Open the table for geology and examine the fields. Scroll down and make sure that every feature has both a formation name and a symbol. Close the table. Remove the original Hill City Geology and Mount Rushmore Geology layers. Symbolize the geology layer with the unique values map based on the unit field. In the Geoprocessing pane, open the Dissolve tool. Set the input features to Geology. Name the output features Geology Dissolve. Set the Dissolve fields to Formation Name and Unit. Uncheck the box to create multi-part features. We want each polygon to remain separate in the output dataset. Run the tool. Create a unique values map for the geology dissolve layer. Based on the unit field. And examine the boundaries.